Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Playing Suyu games feels incredible with a PlayStation 4 controller, offering that familiar comfort and precision. Luckily, Suyu has received significant updates, making controller setup smoother than ever before. This updated guide will walk you through the entire process, step by step, ensuring your DualShock 4 is perfectly configured and ready for action. Get ready to truly enhance your gaming experience. First, physically connect your PlayStation 4 controller to your computer. You can use a USB cable, or if your PC has Bluetooth, pair it wirelessly. Windows typically handles the driver installation automatically, but occasionally you might need to check for updates. Just confirm your system recognizes the controller as a game device before moving on to Suyu. Now launch the Suyu emulator on your PC. Once it is open, head up to the top menu bar. From there, click on Emulation, and then select Configure from the drop-down list. This action opens Suyu's main settings window. Within this new window, find and click on the Controls tab, which is where we will map your PlayStation 4 controller. On the Controls tab, first select Pro Controller from the Input Device drop-down menu. Then, you will click on each individual button or stick input displayed on the screen and press the corresponding button on your PlayStation 4 controller to map it. Take your time with this step, and when finished, load up a game to thoroughly test all your newly mapped controls for proper functionality. If your controller isn't working right away, try restarting Suyu or even your entire PC. For Bluetooth connections, always double-check your computer's Bluetooth settings to ensure the controller is paired correctly and stable. The Suyu community and official forums are excellent resources for any unique troubleshooting needs or future updates. Enjoy your improved gaming experience with your PlayStation 4 controller.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.